guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Parfait lingerie haul. Parfait is a lingerie company that does carry my size, and I've been looking for a better bra to wear because bra shopping is really difficult when you're a big bust woman like myself. So I think you guys are gonna like this. I found a couple of strapless bras, a regular bra, and a lingerie piece that was sent to me. This is not the first time I've ever tried Parfait. I actually received a couple of things from Valentine's Day, which I think I'm gonna incorporate that in this haul so that way you can see all the cute things that they have to offer. All right, so let's get into it. So if you guys enjoy or like any of the products, all of it's going to be linked in the description box below. Also, I do have a coupon code Lesliedtuck20 off. I will link it in the description box, so if you see anything that you like, or if you feel like, dang, like they have something that fits me finally, this is gonna be great. I'm super excited for it. So let's get into the stuff that I received on Valentine's Day so that way you guys can see what it looks like, and then I'll get into the newer stuff that they sent me recently. All right, so this is one of the things that was sent to me on Valentine's Day. I want you guys to keep in mind that it is a thong in the back. I won't be able to show you that, and the breast pads in here are reversible, so if you want it to be darker on the outside you can, but it has a red on red option or a black on red option. You could barely see the difference in this lighting, but you can reverse the cups in there to give it a different feel. So let me go ahead and put it on so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so guys, this is the first one that I was showing you. It is just a regular bodysuit. It has the cute little lines here. It is a thong in the back. I'm going to show you kind of what the back looks like. There's like a little hole right here, but it's actually really comfortable. It has the most support that I've ever had in any lingerie. This is why I really wanted to share it with you guys, this company, because I feel really super secure. It's really soft and it's very, very pretty, and it fits. I will put my sizes that I bought in the description box. I'm starting to realize that I'm more considered mid-size, so I'm not 100% sure how large their clothes go to, but I would just recommend checking out the website to see if they have your size. But yeah, this is really pretty. I love the detail, and I could wear this as a shirt, which is something that I've been looking forward to doing, is finding stuff that I can wear as clothes that is a little bit sexy, you know what I'm saying? If they had an all black one, I probably would wear it outside. And like I said, you can flip the cups right here for it to be darker on the outside, and it can be a different dimension. Comment below what you think of this one. So this next set is another thing that I did receive on Valentine's Day. Again, the cups are reversible, so as you can see, it's a little bit purple, but you can also flip it and make it all pink if that's what you would like, or you could take them out in general. And it actually came with a matching underwear. Let me go ahead and put it on. Okay, I have the second one on. This is what it looks like. Just keep in mind the cups in the inside do twist very easily, so just make sure you adjust it before you put it on. The cups are a little bit uneven right now. They're not in the right spot, so keep that in mind. The purple's a little bit too high up here. So this is the second one. It is their bralette. The only thing is that this rolls up a lot, but I really truly think it might be because I need to go maybe a size up, which I don't know if they have a size up. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. I think personally I should go up a size. As you can see, it's rolling now, so unless I just like lift it up under my boob, then it might stop rolling. So that works. I would just like lift it up under my boob so that way it doesn't roll up all the time. So this is what it's looking like. It is comfortable. The straps are really stretchy, and I'm just telling you, all the plus size ladies, that this right here is so appealing to larger chest women. I don't know what it is about having a cross right above the top right here, but when I see shirts like that, I automatically buy them because they just look so good on me for some reason. So I do have a little bit of side boob, but this is not a bra, this is a bralette, so I'm not surprised. You guys already know I have side boob basically every lingerie piece I ever tried. So we'll start working on it. Maybe one day there will be bralettes that fit me, but this is probably the most fitting bralette I've ever had ever. And the only reason that it's not as comfortable as it could be is because it's made out of lace. Like, it's very lacy, so I think that if it was just like regular cotton, it wouldn't be as itchy, because there's a little bit of like, it kind of is poking into my skin a little bit. It's not that bad. I don't want you to think it's that bad, but as far as comfort go, I just have like a little bit of poking, and that's just from like the lace. So comment below what you think of this one, number 2. So the next ones I'm actually really super excited to share with you guys. They are strapless bras, and you guys already know how difficult it is to find strapless bras. They actually sent me one in black and one in white, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what they look like. All right guys, so this is what the strapless bra looks like. The only thing I want to keep you in mind is that my sister helped lift it up in the back. It's hard to like lift it up by yourself, but this is probably the most supportive strapless bra that I've ever worn. It's really pretty. It has really nice detail. Let me see if I can show you guys. It has really beautiful detail right here that I'm obsessed with. It's the most comfortable that a strapless bra can be, because I've never found a strapless bra to ever be comfortable, but it does have, it's more of like a bustier than it is a strapless bra. There's wires here to keep it together, wires here, and then obviously the underwire. This is so cute. It has a lot of clips, more than usual than a regular bra, obviously, because it's thicker around. But for the most part, I can see myself wearing this as a shirt sometimes. I could see myself wearing it out just like this if I ever wanted to. Will I? Probably not, but you can. Like, I could wear like a high waist jean and just wear this strapless bra. Again, I did also get one in white. Again, it has that really beautiful detail at the bottom. I like this one. It's a little bit more elegant, more angel-like. I actually have support. I don't feel uncomfortable like they're gonna drop or anything like that. I mean, probably shouldn't jump. That was weird, but just keep in mind both of these, just so you guys are wondering, are both a 42G. I typically wear like a 42 F, G, or H. It really depends on what time of the month it is. But right now I'm doing really well with the G. I think an H would have been too big and an F would have been too small. So this ended up being my perfect size. So I love that. So comment below what you think about the strapless bra. This is a great example of a bra, a dress that I could probably wear this with, because the straps are super duper strappy. So this is why this is a good example of a dress that I would wear this bra with. Okay, because the straps right here are really, really long, right? So I could never just not wear a bra because they would just droop. But what I would do is I would bobby pin either this to the bra, and I could probably find a way to tighten the straps. But if the straps were a little bit tightened, or if they were a type of, if this was a type of dress that did allow you to tighten it, this would be perfect, because I would just strap it or pin it and then we would be great. We will look so good, guys. I actually love how pretty this dress is. You could safety pin it to the actual bra. This is like an example of what I would need this for, and I would pin it and then you wouldn't be able to see it, and I don't need a bra, but my boobs and my tatas look good. So 2 more items and then we're done. If you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that we can see all my other hauls. I have one lingerie piece that was made for wedding season, and then I found a bra that I'm obsessed with that I was wearing in the intro of this video. It's just so comfortable, super cute, just fits me in the best way ever, and it doesn't have too much padding, which I love. So I'm gonna get into the lingerie piece first. Let me go get it. This is the one that was built for wedding season. It does again have the reversible cups, and as you can see, it's blue on the outside, but you can also reverse it and make it all the same color, white in the inside. You can flip it, reverse it, whatever you want to do. And this actually has straps in the back as well. So let me go ahead and put it on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. All right, so I have this white wedding lingerie piece on. I think this is for like when you're getting ready for your wedding, if you are doing your hair, makeup, it's cute for videos, things like that. So if you're having like the videographer in your room, this is like perfect for it. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. I don't think I would wear this for my husband the first night. I'm thinking a little bit more, you guys know what I'm talking about. But this is white. I'm thinking like it has nice support without the underwire. It's really cute. This in the back, it has like a little bit of a hole there, which I really, really like. It gives it a little bit more detail. And I love the detail here and all around. I love the lace. The only thing that I really, really love about it is how comfortable it is. I'm not getting married anytime soon, but I can see myself walking around the house like this. Like if I was like on a vacation, which is not gonna happen for a long time, but if I was on a vacation, I can see myself waking up and just wearing this around the house. It's just really cute and comfortable. So if you're getting married, really cute. If not, that's fine. but it's also a really nice gift to get for someone who is getting married. You can say, hey, I want you to wear this. I know a lot of times I have robes, but if you have a plus size woman getting married, like a robe is not gonna cut it. I'm telling you right now, my boobs be flopping out. So this could go underneath, or I could just wear this and get ready as I please. So one last item. Thank you guys so much for getting all the way here. If you did, like I said in the beginning of the video, just finding super comfortable or just convenient bras is very difficult. So I've been on a mission to find other brands that might give us, you know, the things that we need that actually fit. This next bra, I'm gonna show you guys right now. It is so cute. There is underwire, but I just love the design of it. I like that there's no filling. It's just a bra. I'm starting to realize I like bras more like this than like the poofy cup bras. I've been so used to wearing like the balconette with all the padding. So usually I get bras with padding. I'm starting to fall in love with bras without padding, which might be why they fit so well. So this is the side. It has the cute little detail. Yeah, so I'm about to put it on for you guys. All right, so this is the last bra. Like I said, it fits me literally perfectly. I don't ever want to take it off. Every time I put it on, it just feels so good. It's cooling. It has thin layer of like fabric. It's not a lot. It's not doing too much. There's no spillover. I'm just literally, it's not moving. I don't know. I just really, really love this bra. Like I said, I'll link everything in the description box. This is my favorite product thus far from Parfait, and I can see myself getting a ton of these. This is what it looks like. Comment below what you think of the fit of this. That is it, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. So do you want me to?